Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to our Free Your Mind Yoga videos. I am Catalina San Martin, and we are going to be seeing and learning about Sun Salutations today. We are going to see 3 different versions of Sun Salutations, which you are going to practice in different styles of yoga. So we are going to see the classic Sun Salutation, which is more practiced in a Hatha yoga class. Then we're going to see Sun Salutation A and B, which you're probably going to practice in an Ashtanga yoga class and Vinyasa yoga class. So get your mat and let's get going. Our first Sun Salutation is the classic Sun Salutation. So we're going to start in the front of the mat in Tadasana with our legs together and our tailbone tucked in, our shoulders relaxed. Inhale. And lift your arms up, do a little back bend, and exhale, hinge forward from your hips, Padahastasana. Inhale to step back with your right leg, drop your hips and drop your knee. Exhale and step back to Downward Dog. Inhale and exhale, drop chest, chin and knee, Ashtankrana. Inhale, move forward and lift to Cobra. Open the chest. Exhale and move back to Downward Dog. Inhale, step forward with your right leg. Drop your left knee. And exhale, step forward with your left to Padahastasana again. Inhale, come back all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart, Samasthiti. The other side, inhale up, back bend, and exhale, hinge forward to Padahastasana. Inhale, step back with your left leg, look forward, and exhale, back with your right leg to Downward Dog. On your next exhale, drop chest in the knee, Ashtankrana. Inhale, open the chest in Cobra, shoulders down. Exhale and back down to Downward Dog. Inhale, left leg forward between your hands, drop your back knee. And exhale, step forward to Padahastasana again. Inhale, come all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart, Samasthiti. Second Sun Salutation is Sun Salutation A. We're going to start in the same position, Tadasana again. Tuck your tailbone in. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale and hinge forward. Inhale to open the chest, straighten the back. And exhale, step back or jump back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, open the chest in Cobra, and exhale back to Downward Dog. Inhale, look forward, and exhale, jump or step forward to Padahastasana. Lift your chest, exhale down, and inhale all the way up. Exhale back to hands to heart, Samasthiti. Very good. And the third Sun Salutation, Sun Salutation B. We're going to start again in Tadasana. This time, as you inhale, you're going to bend your knees to go to chair pose. Exhale and hinge forward, Padahastasana. Inhale to open the chest. Exhale, step or jump back to plank. Down to Chaturanga, push. Inhale, up and open the chest in Cobra or Upward Dog. Exhale and down to Downward Dog. Inhale to step forward, turn your back heel and lift your arms up to Warrior One. Exhale, back down to the floor. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, open the chest in Cobra or Upward Dog. And exhale, back to Downward Dog. Very good. The other side, inhale, left leg up and forward, turn your back heel and lift your arms up, sinking your hips. Warrior One. Exhale, back to plank and chaturanga. Inhale, open the chest, cobra. Exhale, back to downward dog. Very good. Inhale, jump or step forward. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, Parahastasana, fold. Inhale, bend the knees, come back to chair pose. And exhale, relax in Tadasana. Very good. So that was it, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. The 3 Sun Salutations are a very good exercise. They work in pretty much all the muscles of our body, and they stretch them also, so they work very good for a warm-up before your yoga practice or any workout. So this was Catalina San Martin for Free Your Mind Yoga. I hope to see you in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to our newsletter, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.